Hello and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 42. Two inductors of inductances 5 millihenry and 15 millihenry are connected in series and the current of 5 amps flows through them. The total energy stored in the inductors is A. 250 joules, B. 50 joules, C. 62.5 joules, D. 500 joules. Now, we are giving inductors of we are given the inductances of two inductors, 5 millihenry and 15 millihenry respectively, and you're also told that these inductors are connected in series and this current, 5 amp current, flows through them. So we have to calculate the total energy stored in the inductors. Okay, now the first thing you do is to get the total inductance. Okay, and total inductance L will be equals to L1 plus L2. Okay, inductors connected in series. Okay, so that will be 5 plus 15, which is equal to 20 millihenry. Now, energy stored in inductor is given as 1/2, okay, L I square. Okay, that is 1/2 the total inductance multiplied by the total inductance multiplied by the square of the current. So that is 1/2 times 20 times 5 square, and that will give you 250 joules. 250 joules is option A, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.